Hello guys, it's Pomi. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see a pattern, and this is actually our 17th C++ tutorial. So in this tutorial, we'll see how to print a pattern using a variable or using a stars. So uh, at the first, we'll see to print a pattern like this using of input a line because of we have actually 5 lines because of the input. So the code actually looks like this. First, you need to declare it, and also you must declare a character 6 for this one because of it will print out a character 6. So the first one is enter the number of the lines to print, and C equals to A, which means C is the starting line, the characteristics. So we use a for loop within a for loop. The first for loop is for I, which means for the column, and for the row we use a for loop within a for loop because of we have like a triangle, so it have a row and a column as also. And also we use if statement with that of a switch. I have already discussed that the if statements and also the break statement, I mean the switch statement using of a break. But actually you may ask me, where is the switch statement over here? It just I rather this because of it will be much easier if you make it if statement with a break, because of if you don't have any break over here, it may not stop, where it may be infinitely. So this is the code to print out. So for instance, enter the line of to be printed. For instance, they will put 9, so it have 9 lines. So this is how you're gonna print a pattern. So the other one is how to print a triangle star or like any other. So let's see how to print a triangle pattern with a star. First, let's declare the variables int I and j, and use a for loop because of its repetition statement. For I equals to 0, the starting line, and the ending line I is less than 6. Let's say if you want to have a 5 lines and increment before it. Also we have another for statement, I mean for loop within a for loop. This is like the previous one because if we use a for loop within a for loop, because of it have a 2 lines, or we can say it have a column and a row, so it must be the column or the row must be inside of the other. So that's why I put inside it for loop, or I use a for loop within a for loop. So j starts from 0 and the j is less than or equals to I, and j. And also over here we need to have a cout where we need to put in the output. For instance, let's make it star cout end line. The reason that I put the end line outside of the for statement or the for loop is because of if it is in a for loop, it will be like disaster, or it may not compile for us. So we must make it outside of the for loop. So let's see how we're gonna get it. Oh, actually it displays within this one because of we have an error over here because of we didn't see that comment. Let me correct it. So actually I think this one as it is have opened over here because of I need to open over here because of this cout statement must be inside of this one, and this like this. So let's try it again. I hope you have no any error. Of course, yeah. So this is the output of the for loop statement within a for loop in order to have a low triangle. So this is it, how we gonna do a pattern like this one. And the other example I'm gonna show you is how to print like this one, having a lower triangle. So this is actually how we're gonna do it. mm, Actually this is not necessary, so we just need to declare the variables and input the variable like this one. Actually this is for having a reversible of the previous pattern. So this is how you're gonna write this. You have the same concept that of the previous one. So this is it for today, and actually I'm becoming a little bit at the end, so maybe after 3 or 4 episodes, I mean parts, we're gonna see a little bit of hacking tricks, a CMD trick. So see you next time. Bye.